This is Chef Josh with Electrolux Professional, and today we're going to look at creating a phase cooking cycle on the SkyLine PremiumS oven. So in manual mode, which is what your oven will be in when you first turn it on, we're going to look at the left hand side here, the 3 sheets of paper is what it looks like. If you press that, this is your multi-phase cooking area. And from here you can create different phases to cook in. So let's say we want to make a cooking cycle to roast something and then braise it. So first we're going to go ahead and we're going to start out in convection mode, which are the 2 red lines, and we're going to do vent open so that we can get good airflow for browning. And we're going to set our temperature, let's just say for 375, and we're going to do that for, let's just say, 10 minutes just to get some color on the product. And then we're going to set our fan speed to 7. That way we get the most airflow in the oven. And then from here, this is our browning phase. We're going to hit plus to add a second phase. So now if we hit our multi-phase, we can see we have a second phase here. I'll take that phase and we're going to make this our braising phase. So we're going to use Combi. We're going to set it at 30% moisture. We're going to set the temperature at 275. And we're going to do that until the internal temperature of our product, let's say, just reaches 190. And we're going to do fan speed 4 on that because we're just doing a slow braise with not too much airflow. And from there, we could hit play, and that would then run this program, and it would start out at phase 1 and then go to phase 2. But let's say you would like to not have to worry about the timing in case you're not going to be around. You could hit a third phase, which is this holding, and hit the hold button, and it would automatically put a holding phase in there. It's going to hold at 199 until you're ready to get the oven. Now if you wanted to take this multi-phase cooking cycle that you created with your searing, braising, and then holding, you could save that by hitting the bottom arrows, go to your save program, and then you could call this whatever you wanted to. You could call it braised beef, and then save that. And now this is saved in your programs area right here as braised beef. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website, www.electroluxprofessional.com, or your local rep.